States of matter. 1. Solids. In solids, the molecules are closely packed. They have least intermolecular spaces between them. The forces of attraction between the molecules is very strong and free movement of molecules is not possible. This is the reason why solids are rigid and retain their shapes. 2. Liquids. In liquids, the molecules are loosely held. There are large intermolecular spaces between the molecules. The force of attraction between the molecules is weak and the movement of molecules is possible. That is why liquids are not rigid and have no definite shape of their own. They take the shape of the containers they are put in. 3. Gas. In gases, the molecules are very loosely held. The force of attraction between the molecules is very weak and the molecules have maximum freedom of movement. Hence, gases have neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. Gases and liquids are called fluids because of their ability to flow.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।
Effect of change of temperature. Let us do an activity. Take about 150 grams of ice in a beaker and suspend a laboratory thermometer so that its bulb is in contact with the ice. Start heating the beaker on a low flame. Note the temperature when the ice starts melting. Now put a glass rod in the beaker and heat while stirring till the water starts boiling. Observe the thermometer reading till most of the water has vaporized. On increasing the temperature of solids, the kinetic energy of the particles increases. The particles leave their fixed positions and start moving more freely. A stage is reached when the solid melts and is converted to a liquid. The temperature at which a solid melts to become a liquid at the atmospheric pressure is called its melting point. Do you know what's the melting point of ice? 273.16 K. The process of melting, that is change of solid state into liquid state, is known as fusion. You must have observed during the experiment of melting that the temperature of the system does not change after the melting point is reached, till all the ice melts. Well, as the heat energy is absorbed by ice without showing any rise in temperature, it is known as the latent heat. Now, why latent? Well, the word latent means hidden, does it not? The amount of heat energy that is required to change 1 kg of a solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure at its melting point is known as the latent heat of fusion. When we supply heat energy to water, particles start moving even faster. At this temperature, the liquid starts changing into gas. The temperature at which a liquid starts boiling at the atmospheric pressure is known as what? Its boiling point. Particles of the liquid gain enough energy to change into the vapor state. For water, this temperature is 373 K, that is 100 degrees Celsius. The amount of heat energy that is required to change 1 kg of a liquid into vapor at atmospheric pressure at its boiling point is known as the latent heat of vaporization. So what we find is that the solid state upon heating changes into liquid state, which upon further heating changes into the gaseous state. This gaseous state upon cooling changes back to the liquid state, and upon further cooling it changes to the solid state. So we infer that the state of matter can be changed into another state by changing the temperature.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।
Effect of change of pressure. Do you know what will happen when we start putting pressure and compress a gas enclosed in a cylinder? By applying pressure, particles of matter can be brought close together. Thus, applying pressure and reducing temperature can liquefy gases. Have you heard of solid carbon dioxide? It is stored under high pressure. Now, solid carbon dioxide gets converted directly to gaseous state on decrease of pressure to atmosphere without coming into the liquid state. This is the reason that solid carbon dioxide is also known as dry ice. Thus, we can say that pressure and temperature determine the state of a substance, whether it will be solid, liquid or gas.
अगर आपको इस चैप्टर का कंप्लीट वीडियो देखना है तो होम रिवाइज स्टडी ऐप अभी डाउनलोड करें।